Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft is releasing next year its first ever kind of desktop PC, if you want. And it is interesting little device. So, of course, we had all the different devices like Surface devices and so on over the past years. But now Microsoft is going to release this little, it's kind of a mini PC in reality, plugs into a big screen. So if you got a big screen TV, it has a market that Microsoft wants it to be used, and it's mostly for enterprise and for education. But it is an interesting concept. Kind of looks like the Mac computers, the little brick computers that they have on the Mac side too. So the Mac Mini, I believe it's called. It is very underpowered, but you'll understand why. So it's actually priced at $349, and the different specs that we could see here is that it's an Intel processor. Not much details there. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, and we'll have Wi-Fi 6E. We'll have Bluetooth, HDMI, display port, Ethernet port, 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C ports, and an audio jack. Now, this device, as you see, is probably not very powerful, but it is because it's a cloud PC. So it's going to be called the Windows Link 365. It is purely streaming Windows from the cloud. So basically, that's how it's going to work. So it doesn't have Windows installed. It boots up into the cloud once it's actually installed, and everything you'll have will be cloud driven. They say that it's powerful enough for everyday tasks and high definition and high performance video playback and conferencing. So it's one of a new kind of PC, basically, one that doesn't really have any operating system within, but will have the capability of using a cloud-driven operating system. We know that Microsoft is tweaking and working a lot with its Windows Cloud efforts. So all that you need and all that you hope is that the cloud doesn't go down on Microsoft's side. But kind of interesting idea. I don't know if one day this could be ever something for an average user, but for now it's mostly for enterprise and education. So it's an interesting device. I actually would like to have one of those, not cloud driven, but a more powerful one that has its own Windows 11 operating system. Would be kind of cool to have a Microsoft mini PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.